Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. And today we're going to be installing what we have in this bag right here, which is going to be what I like to call a bag seat dog protector. It's always nice to have these seats protected. We used to have this little, I don't know, I'll try to put it in the screen here. It was like a little basket that we used to put right in here for him. The reason why was because we didn't want the whole seat to be covered, but this one actually covers the whole seat, so it's great when you only have your dog in the back seat. But let's say you have one of your kids or another passenger, then it's kind of a pain to have one of these big ones, but it's always nice to have these in case you just want your dog to be in the back seat at all times. So let's see how this goes in, and it should be pretty easy to install. So here we are, about 2 minutes later. It's fully put together. It's really just folded in that bag, and then you just have to put it, over the headrests on each one of those there. That's what holds it up. We'll see about these clips here and how that affects the driving or whatnot. We gotta go pick up Oslo from his grooming appointment soon, so this is the perfect time to test it out. We'll put him back here and see how he does, or if he even likes it back here. So yeah, but it's super nice. Feels pretty premium. I think it's waterproof, or at least water resistant, I'm pretty sure. It feels like it'll hold up. I'm not really sure where this thing goes right here. I guess I'll figure that out soon enough, but I know this goes up so that way they stay in that little basket area there. But we'll figure out what this strap attaches to. This here, I believe, is what you would use to attach your dog to. So this gets attached somewhere, and then this goes on their collar, so that way they don't run. Let's say your window's open and they won't jump out. They'll be secure in here, or if you open your door, they won't run out. Let's say you have a runner. That way they're secure within this actual space here. You have a nice little mesh pocket right here, mesh window I should say, so that way they can kind of see you. You can see them if they're laying down or whatnot. This is very nice for short or long trips, really, to be honest with you. As long as it's just your dog going in the back seat. This is actually in the Model Y, which is usually the car we do take if we are taking Oslo anywhere. But I would assume that this could work in the Model 3 as well. But with this, you get, I think, a little bit more space in the back. Because you can see, it goes pretty much all the way. This seat is a little further up, but I think it's made for, I don't want to say for a bigger back seat, but this is actually quite perfect. Nice orange accents here. You got some faux leather here. I guess you can put, I wouldn't put snacks there, but you could put snacks there. Get a pocket here, and then the same thing on that end. I don't know what you would put up there, but maybe leash or something you can put up there, or in these pockets. I guess this comes up. Get a better angle here. This here comes up, just like that side does. But as you can see right now, the seats are a little bit reclined. So you have that weird little bend. Get my finger out of the way. Bend back there. And I would assume I would do the same thing on this end if I were to do the same when I put this up, unless I don't recline the seats, which is always something you can do. If you have something like this, let me know. Let me know how well it works, and if you like it, or if you went to something different. I'm gonna put the link to this down in the description below. And if you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. And like always, any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below. I definitely love hearing from you. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.